it's Jody here with Squiggly Doodles. Today we're going to doodle a really fun fish. So let's get doodling. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get started drawing our fun fish today. I'm going to use a Sharpie, and if you use one too, just put a piece of paper underneath. And if I ever go too fast, no worries, just press pause. So the very first thing I'm actually going to do is turn my paper, and it's going to be long ways. And I'm going to make the surface of our water. I like to make a fun little curved line, but you could also just do a straight line. I just have some waves. Now we're going to make our fish's tail over here. I'm going to make a curved line like that. And then from this point, I'm going to go down and make almost the same curved line, like the same length. And now I'm going to bring this in with a curve and go up with this line and make a curve. So now we can make our body of our fish. So from this point, I'm going to go up and out and come back down. And I'm going to do the same thing here, but I'm going to go down and come back up. And you could have went further down or skinnier. You would have had a really fat fish or a really skinny fish. So now let's make our face. All that I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this line a little closer to this line, like that. And then I'm just going to draw two lines going in like a sideways triangle. Perfect. And there is our fish. Well, we'll add more detail. We can also make it look a little 3D by adding a triangle there, and you could color that in dark. And you could add a little shadowing there too if you wanted. There. Now let's make our eye. The eye is going to go right above the mouth. It's just going to be one circle. And then inside that circle, go ahead and draw another circle. And then a half a circle on top. Inside, color it in. Yep. And then you can even add a little eyebrow if you wanted. And then we're going to go ahead and draw a curved line like this. That shows the fish's head, and then there's the body. We could add a couple little fin shapes like that. I think I'm even going to draw a teeny little one. And now let's draw the fun fin. I love drawing these ones. You're going to start somewhere near the back, and you're going to draw a curved line going out like this. And then from that point, just go down until you meet his body. And I'm going to draw one on the bottom too. So I want it to be the same as here. So I'm going to pick up my Sharpie on both sides and make marks. So from here, I'm going to do another curved line out and then go all the way to the fish. Like that. I didn't meet exact my mark, so I'll just go back over it. Perfect. All right, now we can add a couple little details here. We can add some lines going in where the tail is. And one of the things I like to do is add some bubbles. You can add some fun little circles coming up out of the fish. And inside the circle, just make a little line to the side. Just adds a little fun detail. And then I also like to add what looks like scales. And all that I do is make a C, the letter C, a C shape like this. And I will just add that all around my fish, wherever I can fit it in, like that. There can even be one coming behind his little fin. Perfect. All right, so the saying for our Father's Day picture today is hooked on Daddy. And if you cannot write, you can have somebody write that for you. So now we have to draw our hook. So it's going to start here at the top of our page. It's the fishing line, and it's kind of curving down. You're going to draw a little circle showing the knot where the line meets the hook, and then you're going to make a J shape, just like that. And then right at the tip of the J, just draw a line going out. So the fish is about to get hooked. And if you wanted to write somewhere else on your paper, or you could fold it and make it a card, you can also always write Happy Father's Day. All right, this has been so fun to draw, but let's go ahead and color. We're gonna fast forward and go fast, but if you need to catch up, just press pause. So I kind of made my fish a fun, colorful rainbow fish. I think I'm gonna add one more detail. I'm gonna take some dark blue and I'm just gonna make some U shapes or the C shapes again, and I'm not gonna be real careful about it. I'm just gonna put them all over my fish, and it'll just show a little more texture with the scales. And I could even add a purple. I haven't added any purple to this fish, so why not? I'm just having fun. I know that your dads are gonna love your drawing so much, and I hope you had a lot of fun today. So there's our fun fish. And don't forget to subscribe. Happy Father's Day, dads. Bye.
Squiggly Doodles!
If you want to add a cool technique, one of the things you can do, you can add some fun green, and I just make curved lines coming up from the picture, from the very bottom of our picture, just like this. And if you wanted to add a little more texture, you can just add different shades of the green, and it'll just make it look really cool little detail at the bottom. And of course, if you want to color in all of your background, go ahead. I'm not going to do that today though. I hope you had a lot of fun today, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Happy Father's Day, dads.